So I just came home and these were in my mail. I know nothing about them. I wasn't expecting any fragrances, and I thought, you know what, let's unbox them immediately. So we got tester strips. Let's get to work. Let's start with this one. SoHo Bloom. I have nothing, I know nothing about these fragrances. So let's find out. Let's find out what they're like, and hopefully we got some cool bangers. Again, surprise fragrance. It's a good day. It's a really good day. When you go down in your mail and there's like a package and you're like, I don't know what this is. Fun times. Fun times. Easy to get off. Thank you so much. Okay, does it slide out? Oh, it's magnetic. It's magnetic. Ooh, okay. So first thought is this is a lady fragrance. Mystic Perfumes, it says on the back. I don't know any details about the fragrance, but you know what? Let's get spritzing. Let's spray this fragrance. See what it's like. Hopefully, this is awesome. Who knows? Maybe it'll be my niece's fragrance. That'd be pretty cool, actually. That'd be pretty cool. Actually, I already bought her a fragrance. I bought her a Disney princess fragrance. I feel like she looks more like Anna, so I got her the Anna one. All right. Oh, that is an atomizer. That is a crazy good atomizer. Okay. Put this here. Pull this off. Man, look at that. It is drenched. Can you see? Like, I don't know if you can tell. That is just 3 sprays, and this thing is just completely drenched. So that's nice. It's a little fresh. Definitely, I would say this is a feminine fragrance. It has this nice underbalance of sweetness just coming through, but it's like a crisp sweet. It's like, you know, when you get like a, what is that apple? A Honeycrisp apple, and you get that bite, and it's just that perfect sweetness. It isn't like, oh, it's too sickly sweet. I don't like it. It's just the most bright sweet you've ever had. And you're like, yes. Maybe it's just me, just me. I don't know. Ooh, this is good. This is good. So the side of the box said Bharara, so I'm assuming this is from Bharara. I don't know. Oh, this is a good fragrance. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I'm gonna let this dry down and come back to it. So let's move this over here. Still see the bottle, I think. This one, oh, yes, SoHo, I already told you. This one is Rohit perfume. Probably saying it totally wrong. I apologize, I'm sorry. I didn't even look anything up. I just got it, opened the box, saw it, I'm like, cool. It's called Verde. I mean, first of all, this packaging looks really cool. Like, I'm digging it. The green going all the way through. A++ for design. And again, you don't have to do that. You can do some really boring generic box, just like cardboard box. That's cool. This is cool. The other two I got from them, really cool. At least I assume, once again, I assume this is from Bharara. I don't know. I know nothing about this. I apologize. This is the most random video ever. I shot a bunch of videos today, and I was editing them. So I wasn't even planning on filming right now. This is literally a bonus video for the day. One of my favorite YouTubers does Star Wars content, and I remember when he'll do that. He's like, you know what? I already filmed 3 today, and then the news came out, so looks like we're filming another one. That's what this feels like. Okay, this is heavy. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. We're done. We're done. I quit. You ready for this? Look at that. Look at that. Is that not just like perfection in a bottle? You got, well, actually here, I'll pull it out so it doesn't fall. Oh wow, it's in there snug. You got this amazing lid. This bottle design is underrated. I don't know why more companies don't go with this design. There has to be a reason. Again, there's a lot of glass on here, so maybe it costs more. I haven't done price comparison of bottles, but if you pay 1 cent more for a bottle and it looks this sick versus you save the 1 cent. I get it on like say Sauvages where you're pushing hundreds of millions of these bottles. It could add up. But how much more if the bottle looks incredible? Just saying. And again, Sauvage, I do actually like that bottle design. Dior does a good job. Oh my gosh, this lid is on here so good. There we go. Okay, let's do a lid test. I mean, it doesn't even feel like it's gonna go anywhere. I feel like I could shake it. Okay, we're done now. We're done now. A couple shakes there and that's it. Oh my gosh. This is heavy. This is not light. Like, you hear that? Come on. Oof. It was really cool. But you don't wear the bottle. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's prep it. Is it gonna be awesome? Comment down below, yes or no. Do you think it's gonna be awesome? Can you hear that? Oh, telling you, pressurized atomizers are the best. I'm just doing one spray and the whole thing's wet. I can smell it already. We're done. We're completely done. This is over. This video ends right now. I'm gatekeeping this. It's terrible. It's awful. You hate it. Terrible fragrance. Don't get it. You don't want it. This is all for me now. This is mine. My precious. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm sorry. Sorry. This is good. This is really good. It's bright. It's fresh. It's got the right sweet balance. Again, kind of like how this is for females, like the perfect crisp sweet. This reminds me of Bharara Keen Soleil. Love that fragrance. One of my favorite ones I've gotten this year. Again, it's just insane. Amazing atomizer, performance, longevity. It's like beast mode level. That's what this one reminds me of. Except not scent-wise. I'm just saying the style of fragrance. Like, I would say this one is more. It kind of reminds me if you took Chanel's quality, just that natural ingredients, the high class. We are Chanel, and you take Invictus Playboy, that loud in your face, I'm not ashamed to be smelled across the universe, and you had a love child with them. That's what this kind of reminds me. You get that bubblegum sweet, you get that brisk freshness that you get from like Chanel's, you get that just, dare I say, classy, sweet, loud fragrance. Is there such a thing? Because I think there is. Now, comment down below if you know anything about either one of these fragrances. Are they inspired by? Do they smell like other ones? Have you smelled them before? What are your thoughts? Because this is good. Like, this reminds me of the perfect cool weather sweet fragrance. Like, with fall coming, I think this is gonna be perfect. I'm loving this. Well, hot dang. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Again, A++ packaging, A++ bottle, and so far A++ on the scent, maybe plus, dare I say. This one, let's go back to this. Ooh, it's changed. It smells, I want to say peach, like a really heavy peach. Yeah, it smells like a real peach. So here's the thing about this one. You know, Tom Ford, what is it, bitter peach, sour peach, bitter peach? I think it's bitter peach. You know how that has, it's just a peach fragrance, but it smells so synthetic, it doesn't smell like a real peach. This still, I mean, I'm not saying this isn't synthetic, I'm not saying that, but this has much more that realistic, or is that pear? Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing now. I'm gonna go with it's a white peach, because white peaches have a slight different scent to it than a regular golden peach. Like, Trust me, they smell different. Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about? Good. Everyone is screaming at the video, it's a mango. I'm like, no, it's not a mango. Trust me, it's not a mango. Oh, that's so fruity sweet. This is good. If you are a teenage girl, maybe even a young 20-year-old, and again, I think anyone could wear this, but I would say that demographic, this is going to be killer for you. You are going to love it. You're going to beat all your girlfriends out there. They're going to be like, holy cow, this girl smells better than me. And what is she wearing? This is much more playful. This isn't as classy as like a La Vie Belle by Lancôme, a Billie Eilish, the gold bottle, that sweet, rich vanilla. I'm not saying it's competing with those, but if you want that, just party girl, throw it on, go to a restaurant, go to a bar, go to a concert, go to an event, you know, that kind of thing where you want to be smelled, not clubbing, although this could work clubbing, but I'm not saying that. I'm saying this is more go out and be smelled. This is a good one. I haven't looked up prices. So I don't know. These could be $1 billion for all I know. I'll try and tag it in here if I can find them, which I'm sure I can. I mean, the internet's a big place. You can usually find anything. Except for, no, we're not going to discontinue fragrance. Tragedy. I just want to, no. Oh, this is good. Oh, my light went off. Did you notice that? Did everybody see that? The orange light went off? Oh, I need to charge it. Just got it too. Have you noticed that in the most recent videos? I've been using this light in the back. Kind of like it. Yeah, I'm totally rocking this tomorrow. Verde, you are the winner. You are the winner just because everything is perfection. Please, last, oh, I can see on the bottom, sticker. That is Bharara. That is the Bharara. So this is Bharara Rohit Verde. Sweet. Rohit? Rohit? I'm gonna go Rohit. I like Rohit better, but it's probably Rohit. Probably pronouncing it wrong. So then this is Bharara too. No, Mystic Perfumes. I wonder if that's Bharara's female version. I don't know. I know nothing. Again, this is a random video. I just got back from work. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to decompress. But I did not stop and not think about you. So here you go. 2 killer fragrances. One for the ladies, one for the gents. Or you know what? Anyone can really wear either one. I still think this is much more feminine leading. This one does smell perfect unisex, but I would argue a little bit more masculine leading just because of the way the sweetness is done. I could totally see a female wearing this, and that would be impressive. Not gonna lie. Come on, everything about this fragrance. I'm done. I quit. This is the last video I'll ever do. We have hit perfection. So anyhow, comment down below if you've tried out these fragrances, know anything about them. What are your thoughts, comments? Do you think these look cool? Do you think the notes sound cool? Again, I know nothing about this, so this is a fun night. So hope you had a really good Thursday night. It is Thursday night right now at 9:45 p.m. on Central Standard Time. So stay safe out there, and I will talk to you later.